everybody and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys the Walgreens ad preview for May 3rd to May 9th. You guys can check this ad out on Walgreens.com. It always pops up on their website on Wednesdays. So if you guys ever like what deal is this, what deal is that, you can actually just go to Walgreens.com and check the ad. So here are some deals. They got some deals of the week. They got Arm & Hammer, what looks like we'll be getting a $1 off coupon possibly in the Sunday's paper. I noticed in the past papers they have you print it off. So most likely there's going to probably be some printables on coupons.com. We will see, but it's $2.99. You get a $1 off coupon, making them $1.99. It's an okay deal. They do have Charmin and Bounty for $4.99. Well, you can use some coupons if you guys have them. I know there's at least one of each paper coupon in the inserts, and then if you guys have digitals or if you have extra inserts, you can do that. But you basically want to use 4 mix and match $1 off coupons. You guys would end up paying $15.96 for 4 of them. You'd get a $6 register reward, making them $9.96 or just $2.49, which is an okay deal. Kellogg's, it looks like they're $1.99. We'll be getting a 50-cent off digital coupon, making them $1.49. Now, one deal that I thought was kind of cool, right now they're actually $4.99 on sale right now, but there is a deal that if you buy 2 of them, you get a $5 register reward. Well, in this past Sunday's inserts in the 426 Smart Source, there is a $1 off a 2 insert. You guys want to buy 2 of them, you would pay $8.98. You get that $5 register reward, making them $3.98 or $1.99, which is actually a pretty good deal. Sorry, it is extremely windy outside my window, so if you guys hear rumbling, it's because it's the wind. Now, they do have Revlon and Almay. If you spend $10, you get $8 in a register reward. Now, we just got some coupons for it, so if you guys can figure out some deals. Ice cream, 2 for $8. It's great. You know, ice cream is great for this time right now. Everybody's so sad and depressed. Coke and Pepsi are 3 for $9.99. That comes out to be $3.33 a piece. Okay deal. Then they got deals of the week right there. They got Colgate. Colgate is on sale right now, but this is actually a better deal. So it is $2.99. You guys actually want to use 2 $1 off coupons that are in the 426 Smart Source. You guys would pay $3.98 for 2 of them, but then you get 4,000 points. Basically comes out to be free, so you guys can do that deal. The Secret or the Old Spice deodorant is on sale for 2 for $10. There's going to be a $1 off a 2 digital coupon, plus I think there's a $1 off a 2 coupon in our P&G. You guys would end up paying $9 for 2 of them, but then you guys would get a $4 off register reward, making them just $5 or $2.50 a piece. I've been finding like Secret and Old Spice about $2.50 a piece a lot lately, but if we can always get it cheaper, that's a great deal. Dove is $5.99. You get 4,000 points when you buy 4. So there's that. They do have some candy bars and some nuts on sale. Red Bull, $5.99. It's always $5.99. I have never seen Red Bull not on sale. It's like they always have it on sale. Now, they do have some frozen items, 3 for $8. In the past couple weeks, they've actually had it 4 for $10. But right now, with the 3 for $8, you guys will get them for $2.66 a piece. So if you guys need some food, you know, register rewards to use, points to use, you know, that's an okay deal for that. Then we got some other snacks. Layer bars are 2 for $2 with an in-store coupon. Nothing else really popping out for me. Again, the nice bags, the Ziplocs and the trash bags are buy 1 get 2 free. So they're going to be $2.79 a piece usually. So you guys will get you pay $2.79, but you get them each for $3.99. Or sorry, you guys, 93 cents. I don't know what I'm thinking, but 93 cents. So if you guys need to go and get bags, that's a great deal. I've been actually buying meat lately, and I've been individually, you know, packaging them for the freezer, and then I label what date it is and how much each one weighs. So especially with chicken right now, I like to, you know, stockpile a lot of chicken. They do have Ajax, $1.99. There's going to be a 50-cent off digital coupon, making it just 50 cents. Persil is $4.99. Now, we are getting $2 off coupons, plus there's going to be probably a $2 off coupon, a digital one. I never get the paper coupons. I feel like Persil hasn't had really good deals lately for me, but I really love Persil, so I definitely want to do that deal because my laundry, I've been doing so much laundry lately. Febreze and Dawn are $2.99. Now, I don't know if there's a buy one get one free coupon for Febreze, but if you guys need to go ahead and do that, you can go ahead. Sorry, something fell. And then they got Sharpies for 25% off. They got slime and all that fun stuff. Toys, buy one, get one 50% off. And then here's some clothing if you guys ever need to get clothing. Or outdoor stuff is 25% off if your kids are super bored right now. But then here they got some deals where if you guys spend $25 or more, you get 5,000 points. The Pampers and the Easy Ups, they're 2 for $18. We do have, I think, 3 off of 2 coupons. Comes out to be $15 a piece. If you guys need to go ahead and do that, you could actually use 2 of those coupons. Pay $30, and then you guys get 5,000 points. So it comes out to be just 25. I don't know if that's a good deal or not. I didn't figure out the math. But it looks like there's Pantene Nutrient 2 for $4, and then there's going to be a 4 off of 3 that we have. I didn't figure out the math on that. But just none of this stuff is really popping out. Olay is buy one, get one 50% off, and then there's a $1 off coupon. I don't know if that's the same kind of coupon that we have. That's the 4 off of that. I'm not sure, but just wanted to share with you guys on that. Then right here they have the Crest. They don't say the price on here, but it does say you get 4,000 points when you buy 2. And then there's going to be a 5 off of 3 online coupon. So not sure what the price is on that. But they also have some Crest deals right here for $3.99. Use that 5 off of 3 digital coupon. You guys would end up paying $6.97. You get a $3 registry reward, making it just $1.32 a piece. I would not do that deal unless you guys absolutely want to. Right Guard 2 for $5 after a 3 off of 2 coupon. Comes out to be $2.50. Usually we can get those pretty cheap. Pure Silk, we got those, and Barbasol for 99 cents if you guys need to go ahead and do that. Tampax and Always, this is not a great week this week, but next week there's some of them that could be an okay deal. We do have $2 off coupons, plus I think there's some digitals, so there might be an okay deal for the Tampax and Always. I feel like I haven't gotten a chance to get feminine products at Walgreens, and I really wish they could have some really good deals. Along with Kotex, those are buy one, get one 50% off, and there's going to be a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. Okay, now they got, it looks like the shampoo is no longer the buy so much, get so much free, but the Garnier Fructis is 2 for $7. We are getting 3 off of 2 coupons in this instance. Most likely there's going to be a digital coupon. Plus there is a $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, and it'll times it by 2. So you guys will get those for $1 a piece. Great deal. Pantene, those are $3.99, and then you guys use a 4 off of 3 digital coupon. I did not write that down for the math. No, I didn't. So it's up to you guys if you want to do that. But they do have the Olay and the Old Spice 2 for $12. Remember, we do have those 4 off of 2 coupons. I would not do this deal, you guys, unless there's a better deal involved. Then there's that, but yeah, kind of just a slow week. Now they got Maybelline and L'Oreal makeup. It says up to $6 off on online coupon savings, and then it says buy one, get one 50% off. So there's going to be some digitals. I know there's some Maybelline deal for you guys. NYX, it says buy 2, you get a $5 register reward, but it's on items that are $5 or higher. So you guys can do that. Rimmel, buy one, get one 50% off with a $2 off online coupon. Neutrogena, buy one, get one 50% off with a 2 off of 2 coupon, probably from the Walgreens booklet. Now here they got Olay, buy one, get one 50% off. Jergens, Biore, Corel, those are all on sale. Now Mother's Day is right around the corner. When I went to my store, they were just working on a Mother's Day end cap. So if you guys need some last minute Mother's Day gifts, it is May 10th. So perfumes, Garnier Skin Active, L'Oreal, all that stuff. And then here with the vitamins, a lot of that stuff is buy one, get one free, or buy one, get one 50% off. Definitely keep up, stay healthy, take your vitamins if you guys need to do that. Here's this more vitamins and all that stuff. Move Free, buy one, get one free, and then there's going to be a $3 off coupon online. So I don't know how good, if you guys need that stuff, if you need to, it might be an okay deal. More medicine or more vitamins and all that jazz. Now here they got Tenya, $11.99, and then there's a $2 off coupon probably in the Walgreens booklet, and then we're getting $4 off coupons, making them $5.99. So if you guys need some of that stuff, yeah, and I think that might, nope, there's still a little bit more. And then there's Claritin, Zyrtex, Flonase. There's so many digital coupons, you guys. It is crazy. And some of you guys also mentioned to check your coupons. I didn't have any special deals, but some people had some really good digital coupons for spend so much. Get that. So, yeah. Now here is the Band-Aids. Those are going to be buy one, get one 50% off. There is a $1 off coupon in the Sunday's paper. And it says online too, and then you guys will get a $3 registry reward when you spend $15 or more. I know with everything going on, they might limit that stuff. I don't know about Band-Aids, but I know with some other things, they are limiting a lot of it. So there is the Band-Aids thing again, but that is the Walgreens ad preview. It's an okay week. There are some decent deals. If you guys need to go ahead and go shopping. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.